Hello friends! There are some reviews of different multimeters and volt amp meters on my channel, but this time I decided to get the cheapest one and define whether it is a good device or is absolutely not worth buying. This is DT-830B. The device operates on 9-volt battery. Here we have no battery compartment and we should unscrew these two screws in order to open the device and insert the battery. The length of the probes is approximately 67 centimeters. In our test we will compare this device to the UNI-T multimeter UT-39C. First of all, let's start with the mains voltage. 241, 240, 242, 241. DC voltage 141, 139. Even 140, 4.14, 4.13, 4.14. DC current 167, 168. Resistance 24.8, 24.5. But according to the inscription, this is 24 ohm resistor. 71.6. 70.7, 569, 565, and this is 560. So this device is more precise. Here we have 12.82, 12.72. Let's also test diode checking. 516, 533. And also I would like to test once more voltage indications, but now with the help of the precision voltage generator. Here we have exactly 10 volts, 10.03, 7.5, sometimes 7.51, but sometimes 7.50, 4.99, 5.01, 2.5 and 2.5. So for the device the cost of which is less than $5, the results are more than excellent. Finally, let's measure its dimensions and weight. 12 centimeters, 6.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters. And the weight is a bit more than 120 grams. As to the conclusions, hope everything was already mentioned, and in view of the price of this device, its accuracy, dimensions and weight, this multimeter is really good. Thanks for watching. Wish you good luck.